In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, causing the Year Without a Summer. Crops failed and famine spread across Europe and North America. But did you know this volcanic winter inspired Mary Shelley to write Frankenstein? As the skies darkened, she and her friends, including Lord Byron, gathered in a villa by Lake Geneva. They challenged each other to write ghost stories. Shelley's tale of a scientist creating life from death was born from this eerie summer. How did a volcano shape literature? The eruption's impact on climate and creativity is still felt today.